Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this 2021 on a 71 plate Audi RS3 Saloon S-Tronic in Kemora Grey Metallic. Now this vehicle does qualify for our Audi approved use scheme, which means it gets a minimum of 12 months warranty, 12 months roadside assistance and is available with flexible finance packages. For a quote or to book a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Now looking at the striking front end of this RS3, you can see the LED headlights along with this honeycomb grille. This car does also feature front and rear parking sensors and looks rather aggressive from the front, I think you'll agree. So this vehicle has only recently been released, so it is in demand, and we have this car in stock and available for you today. Now looking down here at these wonderful 19-inch 10Y spoke platinum grey gloss turn finish alloy wheels, complemented by the black RS brake calipers. Now these look amazing against this Kemora grey paintwork and really make the car stand out from a standard S3 or A3. Now standing back from this vehicle, you can see the silver door mirror caps as well as the chrome around the door, which really makes this car look classy whilst obviously making it look sporty at the same time. And the silver door mirror trims make it immediately identifiable as an Audi RS product. This vehicle, despite being a saloon, is also very practical and also has plenty of room in the back, as you will see, for anybody who wishes to join you on an exciting drive. Now looking in the back of this Q3, we have 3 spacious seats in the back with adjustable headrest, and we also have here a folding down centre armrest with cup holders, and we also have vents in the back as well as nets for storage. Now standing back from the car, you can see this vehicle is fitted with privacy glass and also has LED rear lights with the dynamic indicators. Now one of the best options on this car is the RS Sports exhaust, which means that the exhaust, rather than being the standard silver, is black, and it means it sounds an awful lot better, especially in dynamic mode. Now coming round to the back of this RS3, you can also see the carbon boot lip spoiler there, which looks very aggressive and makes the car have a wonderful stance. Now opening the boot here, you can also do this from inside the vehicle or on the key fob. Now this vehicle, being based on the A3 Saloon, is very spacious in the back, and the seats do fold 40-20-40, which means if you wish to take any skis with you, you're more than able to do so. And this boot space is big enough for those golf clubs or for a weekend away and a few suitcases. Now if we stand back and look at the aggressive stance of this RS3, it really is something special and really does stand out from even an S3 Saloon. Now coming round to the side of the vehicle here, you can see the vents just behind the front wheels, which further improve the aggressive stance of this vehicle. Now looking inside the car, this vehicle evidently only uses the best quality of materials, and we do also have Alcantara on the doors as well as the black headlining and these wonderful RS Sports seats, which are very supportive on a long journey, but also very good if you want to push it round the corners, which is very befitting of an RS3. So that completes our initial exterior 360-degree walk around of this RS3 Saloon. As previously mentioned, this car does qualify for our Audi approved use scheme, so it gets a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, contact us on 01785 899 417. Now let's have a look inside this wonderful RS3 and have a look at some of the technology on offer. So as you'd expect, these windows are all electric, and there are also power rear door locks. And the mirrors are heated and folding, which means that if you're in a tight parking space, you don't have to worry about getting your wonderful silver door mirrors bashed by anybody. Now if we have a look here, we also have automatic headlights, which you'd expect from the car. So you just get in, drive off on a night and don't have to think about it. We also have this magnificent RS 3-spoke steering wheel here, which is multifunctional as well. And then if we zoom in here to Audi's famous virtual cockpit, this does feature a fresh design and means that you can flick through and have a look at different options whilst also keeping the speed on the screen. So you can have a look through your navigation, your radio, your phone connectivity, or you can also see a full screen map display. Now these are the buttons that you use to change those different views. So you've got a little swivel wheel here which zooms in and out of the map, or you can scroll through a menu. You can change the view with that, or you can go from side to side with the other buttons. Now if we look here, we also have the volume controls. We have the all-important RS button, which immediately sets the car up to be more sporty in its most aggressive setting, or you can change it in RS individual mode. Now looking down here, this vehicle does come with cruise control, which means that despite being a very sporty car, which should be capable of any kind of track day, you can also sit back and enjoy this vehicle on a longer drive. Now if we come over to the centre screen here, which is a touch screen and does give you haptic feedback, so you are aware that you have fully pressed the button. Now this vehicle does also feature digital audio broadcasting radio channels, which means there's plenty for you to choose from, and if you want to plug in your phone instead or connect it through Bluetooth, you're more than capable of doing so. And here we have the telephone function, so if you want to give somebody a ring on the way home from work, it's very easy to do so in this car. And we also have your excellent navigation system. Now if we go into the car setting here, you can look at Audi's Drive Select, and because this is an RS model, you can also have RS Individual or RS Performance, which instantly set the car up in a way that makes it more dynamic. And you can also choose from your standard 4 different modes, which means that if you're feeling like you want to push your RS3, it'll do so, or if you want to relax, it's also great at that. So here you have your automatic climate control. We also have heated seats in the front. So all you have to do is you just toggle between these different modes here, and you can also change your temperature to adjust to exactly how you like it. Now looking down here furthermore, we have the button for Audi's Drive Select. This vehicle can also park itself, and we also have the button down there just to activate the parking sensors. This vehicle does also come with 2 USB-C connectors, which mean that it's very easy to charge your phone on a long journey. You just plug your phone in and let it go. So then moving back here, you have your S-tronic gearbox selector, and we also have a touch sensitive volume control, and you can also press left or right to change your channel, to change your music, and you can also mute it using that. This vehicle does also have a very sporty start-stop button with a red surround. Now here we have space for cups, we also have a 12-volt socket, and we also have your electric parking brake. And in here we have more storage, so if you want to put your wallet in there away from prying eyes, you can do so, or if you want to put your keys in there or your phone, that is also a great space for that. Now looking up on the dashboard, behind this wonderful Quattro badge here, you have the carbon trim, which differentiates this from an S3 or any other A3 model and make the car feel extra special. So that completes our 360-degree walk round and interior tour of this 2021 Audi RS3 Saloon. For any more information or to get a personalised finance quote, please contact us today on 01785 899 417, and one of our wonderful sales team members will be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.